In today's fast-paced project landscape, having a clear, real-time overview of your progress is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. As project management professionals, we understand the critical role of data-driven decision-making. But sifting through endless spreadsheets and reports can be time-consuming and often leads to delayed insights. This is where the power of dashboards comes into play. And the good news? Yes, you absolutely can create compelling and insightful dashboards directly within Smartsheet. Forget complex integrations or external business intelligence tools for many of your core project tracking needs. Smartsheet's built-in dashboard capabilities offer a surprisingly robust and user-friendly way to visualize your key project metrics, providing a central hub for understanding performance, identifying roadblocks, and communicating progress effectively. This video will walk you through the ins and outs of creating impactful dashboards in Smartsheet, designed for anyone, from seasoned project managers to those just starting their journey. We'll break down the process into simple, understandable steps, ensuring you can harness the visual power of Smartsheet to elevate your project management game. Why embrace Smartsheet dashboards? Before we dive into the how, let's solidify the why. Smartsheet dashboards offer a multitude of benefits that directly address common project management challenges. Real-time visibility. Say goodbye to static reports. Dashboards provide a dynamic, up-to-the-minute view of your project's health, reflecting the latest updates as they happen in your underlying sheets. Centralized information hub. Consolidate critical data from multiple sheets into a single, easily digestible interface. This eliminates the need to jump between various sources, saving time and reducing the risk of missing crucial information. Improved communication. Visual representations of data are far more impactful and easier to understand than raw numbers. Dashboards facilitate clear and concise communication with stakeholders, team members, and leadership. Proactive issue identification. By visualizing key performance indicators, KPIs, dashboards make it easy to spot trends, identify potential bottlenecks, and proactively address issues before they escalate. Enhanced decision-making. With readily available insights, you can make more informed and data-backed decisions, leading to better project outcomes. Customization and flexibility. Smartsheet dashboards are highly customizable, allowing you to tailor them to your specific project needs and the information that matters most. Accessibility. Being integrated within Smartsheet, dashboards are easily accessible to anyone with the necessary permissions, fostering transparency and collaboration. Laying the foundation. Understanding Smartsheet widgets. The building blocks of your Smartsheet dashboards are widgets. These are individual components that display specific data or information in a visual format. Smartsheet offers a diverse range of widgets, each serving a unique purpose. Metric widget displays a single, key value with an optional title and description, perfect for highlighting critical KPIs like budget status, task completion percentage, or overdue tasks. Chart widget visualizes data from your sheets in various chart formats, bar, line, pie, etc., ideal for comparing progress, tracking trends over time, or showing the distribution of tasks or resources. Report widget embeds existing Smartsheet reports directly into your dashboard, allowing you to display filtered and summarized data in a structured format. Web content widget embeds external web pages, documents, or videos directly into your dashboard, providing quick access to relevant resources. Image widget allows you to upload and display images, such as project logos, team photos, or visual aids. Text widget enables you to add headings, descriptions, instructions, or any other textual information to your dashboard. Shortcut widget creates quick links to other Smartsheet items, sheets, reports, dashboards, or external websites. Title widget displays a large, customizable title for your dashboard or sections within it. Separator widget creates visual breaks between different sections of your dashboard, improving organization and readability. Understanding the purpose and capabilities of each widget is the first crucial step in creating effective dashboards. Step-by-step guide to building your first Smartsheet dashboard. Now, let's get practical and walk through the process of creating a dashboard in Smartsheet. 1. Accessing the Dashboards feature. Log in to your Smartsheet account. In the left-hand navigation panel, click on the Home icon, usually a house. Click the Create button in the top left corner. Select Dashboard from the drop-down menu. Give your new dashboard a descriptive name and click OK. You will now be presented with a blank canvas, ready for you to populate with widgets. 2. Adding your first widget. In the top left corner of the blank dashboard, click the plus Add Widget button. A sidebar will appear on the right, displaying the available widget types. Select the type of widget you want to add, e.g., metric. 3. Configuring the widget. Once you select a widget type, you'll need to configure it to display the desired data. The configuration process will vary depending on the widget type. Metric widget. Click the Add Data button. Select the Smartsheet that contains the data you want to display. Choose the specific column and summary function, e.g., sum, average, count, you want to use. You can also display a specific cell value. Customize the display options, such as the title, description, and formatting. Chart widget. Click the Add Data button. Select the Smartsheet containing your data. Choose the columns you want to use for your x-axis, e.g., task name, status, and y-axis, e.g., effort, cost. Select the desired chart type, e.g., bar, line, pie. Customize the chart appearance, including labels, colors, and legends. Report widget. Click the Select a Report drop-down. Choose the Smartsheet report you want to embed. The widget will automatically display the data from the report. Text widget. Simply type or paste the text you want to display into the text editor. Use the formatting options to adjust the font, size, and style. Image widget. Click the Browse button to upload an image file from your computer. Shortcut widget. Choose the type of shortcut you want to create, Smartsheet item or external link. Select the specific Smartsheet item or enter the URL of the external website. Customize the link text. 4. Arranging and resizing widgets. Once you've added and configured your widgets, you can easily arrange them on the dashboard canvas. Click and drag a widget to move it to a new location. Click and drag the edges or corners of a widget to resize it. Experiment with different layouts to find the most visually appealing and informative arrangement. 5. Customizing your dashboard. Smartsheet offers several customization options to enhance the look and feel of your dashboard. Theme. Choose from predefined color themes or create your own custom theme. Background. Set a solid color or upload a background image. Widget colors. Customize the colors used in your charts and metric widgets. Font styles. Adjust the font styles used for titles and labels.